We live in a digital age of buying and selling just about everything online. Well, real estate is no different. Hi there, I'm Carrie Hall with Homes by Carrie and eXp Realty. When selling your home, putting a sign in the front yard and sticking it on MLS just won't do anymore. You need maximized exposure to target all potential buyers out there. 95% of buyers are searching online for their home, and 77% use social media to do their search. Yet only 16% of agents use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. Yes, as a real estate professional, I am driven to offer my clients more. That's why I came up with a strategic marketing plan to attract thousands of buyers to your home. Sounds exciting, right? I'm really passionate about my profession. Not all clients are the same, but I strive to give outstanding service to your individual needs. I want what you want. If you'd like to hear more about what I can offer you, please reach out to me. I'm always here to serve you. If you want to hear more tips and tricks about buying and selling, please check out my YouTube channel at Homes by Carrie. As always, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Make it a great day.